Hey everybody, it's Jersey Shore Jeff bringing the Jersey Shore to your door, and today I'm coming to you from one of my many favorite towns dotting this Jersey Shore. Can you have one of many favorites? Well, I think you can, and today I'm coming to you from Asbury Park, New Jersey. Nothing unusual here, just a little impromptu concert coming from someone's front porch. Pull up a chair, or a bicycle, or a sofa. Today I parked on Asbury Avenue. Couldn't believe I found a spot. It was pretty far away, but at least I found a spot. We're going to start heading north on Ocean Avenue. We're going to bypass the boardwalk today. I'll save that for another video from Asbury Park in the near future. But today we're going to take Ocean Avenue north all the way to the convention center where the Asbury Park Fall Bazaar is taking place. This is not your average flea market or craft fair. This is a full-on celebration of creativity, community, and culture, set right here inside the legendary convention hall and its grand arcade just steps from the Atlantic Ocean. It's got live music, amazing food, unique handmade goods, art, vintage treasures, and an unbelievable Asbury energy that makes you feel like you're part of something bigger. So buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a full walkthrough of the bazaar. We'll check out the booths and soak in some of that Asbury Park spirit. But before we get to Convention Hall, let's see what's going on here on Ocean Avenue. Right now we're in front of the legendary Stone Pony, where Bruce Springsteen actually got his start, and there's always music coming from the summer stage. Let's see what's going on there. Looks like a sound check for tonight's performance. I don't know who the band is, but they definitely have a Green Day vibe. The Stone Pony, of course, is legendary, and this video is not about the Stone Pony, but I do feel the need that it really needs to be on this channel, the Jersey Shore Jeff channel, so I will be covering it inside and out sometime in the near future. Wow, if those doors could talk, but more importantly, if this door could talk. I think I gotta get some Jersey Shore Jeff stickers made. If you're not familiar with Asbury Park, the boardwalk and beach is right on the other side of those buildings there. This is the Asbury Ocean Club, a relatively new high-rise here in town. It's, I'm going to say about 5 years old. I could be off a couple of years, but it's a hotel as well as condos. Some of those condos sold for several $1 million, and according to the windows here now, it's completely sold out. Hey guys, the Jersey Shore Jeff channel's brand spanking new, and if you can, please subscribe to it. It's going to really help the channel grow quickly. Just click on that little Jersey Shore Jeff logo in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and poof, you're subscribed. It's free to subscribe. You're going to get some great content coming to this channel. If you're enjoying this video in particular, give it a thumbs up and also share it on your social media. That'll get the video more views and the channel brand new subscribers. I appreciate not only your watching, but your comments below on the videos that you're watching, and leave suggestions on things you'd like to see further down the road here on the Jersey Shore Jeff channel. I'm always open to suggestions, and there's so much to see and do. I've already got a big bucket list going, and you guys are more than welcome to leave some comments and suggestions below to add to that list. And again, this channel is going to focus on the entire Jersey Shore area, from Sandy Hook all the way down to Cape May. I appreciate your watching. Looks like the boardwalk and cafes are bustling today. Alright, here we go, walking up to Convention Hall. If you've never seen this place, you're in for a treat. It was built in the late 1920s. This massive brick and copper trim structure is an absolute Jersey Shore icon. It's been home to concerts, conventions, roller derbies, and everything in between. Bruce Springsteen played here, and Bon Jovi probably walked through the very same doors we're gonna walk through. And today, it's packed with artists, crafters, and creative souls for the Asbury Park Fall Bazaar. As soon as you step inside the Grand Arcade, the atmosphere just hits you. The smell of ocean air mixing with fresh coffee, the hum of live music echoing off the tiled floors, vendors calling out friendly hellos, and people laughing. There's sunlight pouring in through the tall arched windows, and every booth is glowing with color. Handmade jewelry sparkling in the light, candles flickering, rows of vintage clothes, tables filled with art, photography, home goods, all from local and regional makers. And the best part? Every vendor you meet here cares about what they do. You're not just buying a product, you're hearing a story, supporting a dream, and connecting with a community. Now before we dive deeper into the booths, let's talk about how this whole thing started. The Asbury Park Fall Bazaar began with a simple idea to showcase the creativity that's always been part of Asbury Park's DNA. The city's been known for decades as a hub for artists, musicians, and independent thinkers, so why not create an event that celebrates that? It started small with a few local vendors popping up inside here at Convention Hall, and over time it exploded into one of the largest seasonal markets in New Jersey. Now the bazaar happens throughout the year. Spring Bazaar, Summer Bazaar, Valentine's Bazaar, the Fall Bazaar, which is where we are right now, and the upcoming Holiday Bazaar, which I can't wait to cover here on the Jersey Shore Jeff channel. Food and Wine called the Asbury Park Holiday Bazaar the best holiday market in New Jersey, praising its festive atmosphere, live music, and the incredible variety of local vendors. Travel and Leisure even named Asbury Park one of the 25 festive Christmas towns to visit for the holidays, with the bazaar right at the center of that recognition. And the Asbury Park Press regularly highlights it as one of the area's most important local business events, giving artists and small shops a platform to reach new customers. There is certainly no shortage of places to eat here in Asbury Park, and I have to cover really more restaurants here on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. All kinds of vendors and crafters here, and as I was walking around I came across a candle stand where all the scents were Jersey Shore related. There was the Point Pleasant Breeze candle and the Lavalette Sunset candle. You can't get more Jersey Shore than that. There's also a lot of vintage stuff here, including clothing. It's perfect for treasure hunters, the kind of place where you think, I'll just look around, and 20 minutes later you're holding a disco era t-shirt and a Southside Johnny record, and you're like, yeah, I'm buying this. They always post the events coming to a convention hall here, as well as the Stone Pony events coming up. One of the events up there is the Asbury Park Zombie Walk, which I already went to and recorded, and that video is coming to the Jersey Shore Jeff channel very soon. I had a great time. It starts here on the boardwalk and ends up downtown at a club, and well, the entire thing is recorded. You'll see it here very shortly on the Jersey Shore Jeff channel. Just another reason to subscribe to the channel right now. Renovations to this iconic and historic building is a continuous, ongoing project. They're being careful not to modernize this building, but to restore it to its original historic beauty. As a matter of fact, I don't make it a habit of taking a camera into the men's room, but I just wanted to show you the men's room. It's like stepping back into time. There's all the fixtures are probably original. It's like something out of a movie scene. And again, I made sure the men's room was empty before I brought my camera in there. I swear someday this gig's gonna get me thrown in jail. But you guys will bail me out, right? You know me, I can't go anywhere without checking out what's cooking, and the Asbury Park Fall Bazaar has some serious eats. Of course, I didn't eat anything today. If I did, it would be on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. Depending upon the season, you'll find local favorites like Mutiny Barbecue Company, Kaya's Kitchen, or the Iron Well doing pop-up restaurants here. There's usually a coffee roaster or two serving up iced lattes and cold brews for the shoppers, and you might even find a dessert stand with handmade chocolates or Italian pastries. There's also a craft beer section featuring local breweries like Asbury Park Brewery, Kane, and Carton Brewery. Some of these events even have wine tastings or a full bar setup with cocktails made by Asbury Park Distilling right down the street. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Asbury Park Fall Bazaar. I can't wait for the holiday one. Lots more content coming to the Jersey Shore Jeff channel, including that zombie video that I told you about and a fishing excursion that I took recently. And of course, all kinds of events and happenings going on all up and down the Jersey Shore. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and check out my other two channels, the New York channel, a lot of Atlantic City on that one, and Jersey Jeff Eats, a lot of eating on that one. Until next time, I'm Jeff. This channel is Jersey Shore Jeff, bringing you the Jersey Shore to your door. Thanks for coming along.
Embrace it, you practice your face of the day is brand new. Each time I chase it, I seem to bite off more than I can chew. Every day's a chance to write my own song. Your name's in my head where it just don't belong. I rise from the ashes and hope that it crashes where